Hey guys, what's going on? This is December 8th, and I still have Moviepass. They kind of came through in the end of the month, in middle of November and late in. I know I was saying, hey, we're going to show a video canceling this and that, but another month. They've already got me for another month, so let's go ahead and see if they can keep me after that. I was able to go see Bohemian Rhapsody. Within the week of it being released. So that's kind of what kept me going. I kind of burned through. Today is Saturday. And of course, you can go see Robin Hood or Boy Erased. You can see Robin Hood's got 4 different show times at this theater. A really good theater has 4 showings again. Wildlife is out. You can see. Obviously, they're still focusing on these independents and having not the best movies, not every movie, but definitely a select few that you can actually go see. So I'm okay with it. Again, $9 as long as I see a movie a month, I'm cool with it. But it's got to be a decent movie. I can't just go see some independent film and feel like I'm getting my money's worth. Like Crimes of Grindelwald. Obviously, I have not seen that come out yet. Bohemian Rhapsody's been out a lot on and off. Instant Family did make its way to the showings here and there. Widows did. Obviously, you saw Robin Hood and Green Book. Creed's been out a lot too. There was a day, 1 or 2 days that Ralph and the Grinch made it that we could have gone see at pretty decent showtimes too. So at least it's not just one showing sitting here for Robin Hood. At 135. It's at least they're giving you a lot of showings. So I'm still okay with it. They'll keep me around for another month, but if they start, really forcing the independence and doing what they did about a month and change ago, where it was constantly just independence, I'm not gonna stick around. But so far, so good. I'm not upset with it. It could be better. Just hope they keep it going. And yeah, just kind of wanted to show you guys what's been going on. Like I said, a lot of these movies have been showing, so I can't get upset with it, and hope you guys aren't either. I know they've been going through some growing pains and all this stuff, so we'll see how December treats us, and we'll see if we're sticking around for January and see if we can keep going. The only reason why that I really don't cancel is the biggest reason is once you cancel, I know that they have like restrictions that won't allow you to rejoin I've seen 6 months. So I mean that's why you just don't cancel and come back, because they do restrict you and they'll kind of make you go through the process and maybe not take you. So that's kind of why I kept it for the couple weeks that I already paid for. We're going now. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if it's good on your end, how you guys have been doing. I hope everything's working better for everybody. I know that it's been super, super frustrating, but it's been a lot better. So hope you guys like this one. It had been about a month and a half since, it had been a month, I think, since I'd done my last Moviepass video. And I thought this month was going to be the cancellation, but it was not. So we'll see how the week goes. If you guys want more updates, let me know. Hope you guys are liking it, and can't wait to see you guys in the next one. And as always, feel free to comment, like, subscribe to my channel. Can't wait to see you guys in the next one. See you guys.